Hi, it's AI Kelly here. Welcome back to Ask the Instructor, presented by Campus Mortgage. Today's question is, the borrower applies for an FHA loan on a home with rooftop solar installed 2 years ago under a third-party lease. How are leased or financed solar systems treated for eligibility and ratios? Here is what our mortgage instructor has to say. The underwriter determines ownership. If leased or financed, the solar payment, or PPA charge, is included in DTI, and any UCC filing or lien must be subordinated so the FHA mortgage remains first. Furthermore, PAYS assessments cannot have priority over the FHA lien. Separately, the appraiser may assign contributory value only when the system is owned and market supported. Where applicable, utility savings aren't used as income. In turn, the lease or loan terms and remaining contract period are documented. Ultimately, approval requires clear title priority, accurate DTI with solar obligations, and compliance with FHA property standards. This concludes our 1-minute video. If you like this video, please help us by clicking the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. And remember, at Campus Mortgage, we offer a variety of comprehensive mortgage training and certification programs. To learn how we can help jumpstart your mortgage career, simply download our course catalog at campusmortgage.org. Thank you and make it a great day.